Welcome to this Windows 11 Privacy and Performance Guide. In about 5 minutes, we will reduce optional Microsoft data collection and make your PC feel faster without disabling Windows Security, Defender, the Firewall, SmartScreen, or Windows Update. One honest note: normal Windows settings cannot stop every connection to Microsoft. Windows still sends required diagnostic and security data. Our goal is to minimize optional tracking and personalization safely. First, open Start, Settings, then Privacy and Security. Select General. On some newer builds, similar options may appear under Recommendations and Offers. Turn off the Advertising ID, website access to your language list, app launch tracking for Start and Search, and suggested content in Settings. These switches reduce ad personalization and recommendation tracking without affecting antivirus or system security. Next, open Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Microsoft says Windows remains secure and operates normally with only required diagnostic data. Also turn off Tailored Experiences or Personalized Offers, whichever label appears on your build. Set feedback frequency to Never if available. Then select Delete Diagnostic Data to clear diagnostic information associated with this device. Required diagnostic traffic will continue for security and reliability. Now open Speech and turn off online speech recognition if you do not use cloud voice typing. Windows can still use device-based speech features, but Windows Key plus H voice typing needs the online service. Next, open Inking and Typing Personalization and turn off the Custom Word List. This clears the personalized dictionary used to improve typing and handwriting suggestions. Next, review Activity History. If your build shows Store My Activity History on this device, turn it off and clear existing history. On a Copilot PC, open Recall and Snapshots. Recall is opt-in and stores snapshots locally, but if you do not want periodic screen snapshots, turn off Save Snapshots and delete existing snapshots. This option appears only on supported Copilot Plus computers. Before leaving Privacy and Security, review Location, Camera, Microphone, Contacts, Calendar, and File System permissions. Keep device access available for features you use, but deny individual apps that do not need it. Remember that some traditional desktop apps may not appear in every list. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Select Startup Apps. Disable non-essential game launchers, chat tools, or media apps you do not need at sign-in. Keep Windows Security, Audio, Touchpad, Graphics, Accessibility, and Backup components enabled if you rely on them. For another speed boost, search Start for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. On an older or slow PC, choose Adjust for Best Performance. For a balanced look, turn off only animations and transparency. Then open Settings, System, Storage. Enable Storage Sense and review temporary files. Check downloads and the recycle bin carefully before deleting anything. You can also uninstall unused apps from Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Finish with the safe basics. Install Windows updates, run a Windows Security quick scan, and restart the computer. Avoid registry cleaners, aggressive debloat scripts, and any guide that tells you to disable Defender, the Firewall, updates, or security services. Your PC should now share less optional data, load fewer unnecessary apps, and feel more responsive while keeping its essential protections on. Thanks for watching.